Have you tried almost every methods to lose weight? But there is little progress. You heard about intermittent fasting and wanted to try. Yes, intermittent fasting has been proven to be effective to lose weight and improve health. However, you need to fast properly to prevent any risk to your health. Then the question is, how do you start intermittent fasting? Today, we will share with you some easy tips on how to start intermittent fasting healthily. We will also cover some methods to enable you to be successful. Make sure you watch till the end because you need to work on a combination of these tips for it to be effective without affecting your health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this and turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. Intermittent fasting is an eating cycle. It does not cover the type of food you should eat. But in this video, we will also talk about food choices. In this way, you can start intermittent fasting easily to lose weight in a healthy manner. The choice of food is vital to your success in intermittent fasting. As such, you do not give up halfway through the journey. Intermittent fasting has been popular in the weight loss industry. Many people have used it for weight loss and health improvement. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting provides numerous health benefits. It improves your body and mind. There are many different intermittent fasting methods. It involves splitting into fasting period and eating period. During the fasting period, you eat nothing at all or very little. The common fasting methods are: number 1, fast for 12 hours a day. In this fasting plan, you need to stick to a 12-hour fasting period each day. Research has shown that by fasting slightly more than 10 hours a day, your body would convert the stored fats into energy. This leads to weight loss. Such intermittent fasting pattern can be easier to follow. You can have the fasting window during the time when you sleep. In this way, you can still consume the same amount of calories during the day. As such, it may not be as effective to lose weight compared to the other methods. Number 2, 16-8 pattern. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8 hours period. It will require you to skip breakfast or dinner. For example, you can eat during 12 to 8 p.m. if you are skipping breakfast, while you fast during the remaining 16 hours. Number 3, fast for 2 days a week. In this method, people will eat the normal amount of food for 5 days. During the 2 fasting days, you reduce the amount of calories intake. You should have at least 1 non-fasting days in between the fasting days. For example, you can fast on Tuesday and Thursday, while eat normally on other days. During the fasting days, consume 500 to 600 calories of food. Number 4, fast for 20 hours in a week. You fast for 1 day in a week. This is also called the eat, stop, eat pattern, whereby you do not have any food in a day. Most people will fast from lunch to lunch. During the fasting period, they can drink water, tea, coffee, and other beverages without sugar. You could eat normally during the non-fasting days. This fasting method can be challenging for most. It can result in headaches and loss of energy. In order to succeed, it is easier to start from 16-8 method before practicing such method. Number 5, skipping meal. This would be one of the easiest method to start for beginners. There is no specific fasting period. You decide when you skip a meal when you are not feeling hungry. This would be a more natural way compared to the other stricter methods. Regardless of the method you use, it is important to watch your calories intake. You should minimize eating more during the non-fasting period. By consuming less calories than the amount used by your body, you can lose weight and body fat. Otherwise, you would be wondering why there is little progress on weight improvement. Among the different intermittent fasting plans, most people will find the 16-8 method simpler to follow. It is also effective for weight loss. Most also find it more sustainable to adopt in the long run. Having said that, there is no hard and fast rule on which intermittent fasting is better. It depends very much on the conditions of your body. You can start with 12-hour fast. If you feel good when you fast, you can advance to 16/8 or the other fasting methods. It is normally challenging for most people to fast intermittently, especially at the beginning. Here are some of the tips to help you progress throughout the journey. Number 1. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Water can make you feel less hungry so as to curb your craving for food. You can also have coffee and tea as long as they do not contain sugar. Cinnamon herbal tea is also a good option as it can suppress your appetite. Number 2. Minimize as much physical activities as possible. During fasting, you would normally feel loss of energy. By relaxing, it will help you through the fasting period. Number 3. Distract yourself during fasting period so that you do not think about food. You can spend the day concentrating in your work, hobby, or doing some light exercises. Number 4. Try to meditate when fasting. This can minimize your urge to eat. Number 5. Avoid watching television during fasting period. This is because seeing images of food can cause you to yearn for them. Number 6. Eat foods that are dense in nutrient. Such foods are normally high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Some examples are fish, beans, legumes, avocados, nuts, tofu, and eggs. Such foods can also prevent nutrient deficiencies and spike in blood sugar level. Number 7. Consume foods that are filling for the stomach, but low in calories. Fruits and vegetables are ideal ingredients. You can eat plenty of them without worrying about calories. This will keep you feeling full longer. Number 8. Spice up your meals. You could season your meals with spices, herbs, garlic, and ginger. They do not contain much calories, but they add flavor to your meals. They have the tendency to reduce the feeling of hunger. Number 9. Have a balanced diet on non-fasting period. A balanced diet is proven to help you lose weight. Intermittent fasting is not meant for everyone. If you have any of the following conditions such as eating disorder, diabetes, pregnancy, or you are planning to breastfeed, you are trying to conceive, you are underweight, you have low blood pressure, or you are on certain medication, intermittent fasting would likely be unsuitable for you. On the other hand, if you are healthy and well-nourished, it is fairly safe for you not to eat for a while. In summary, there are many different intermittent fasting methods. No one plan can work for everyone. You would have different experience for each. In order to get the best results, it is best for you to try the various styles and monitor your well-being and progress in weight loss. If you are physically or psychologically not prepared, it is best not to fast as the consequences can be damaging. Before you embark on intermittent fasting, consult your doctor for further advice. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos on how to lose weight, improve health, and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.